Hey guys, it's Issei. Today, I'm gonna answer the IELTS 13. This is test 2, reading passage 1. So, yeah, why I'm doing this because I'm wondering how other people are solving the IELTS reading section. Then I thought I should share it from my own first. So hopefully I could get your comments or any feedback. So let's begin. Okay, bringing cinnamon to Europe. I like cinnamon. Check the question. Early history, right? And biblical times. Added to something, then true false not giving question. Just check the keywords, underline keywords. The Portuguese control over the cinnamon trade in Ceylon throughout 16th century. Okay, 16th century. Okay. Cinnamon is a sweet in a bark trail. It was known in biblical times and is mentioned in several books of Bibles and ingredient was mixed with oils for his body and also as a token indicating friendship among lovers and friendship. I think was mixed with oils. So added to oils and used to show between people. Okay. I might see here as a token indicating like show something between people. Friendship. Right, friendship. Ancient Rome used for its sweet smell at where? Ancient Rome. Okay, ancient Rome. Maybe funerals, right? Found cinnamon to create present scent. Create present scent, sweet smell at where? Funerals. Middle age. Added to food, especially meat, was an indication of a person's what? Okay, what was found from use an additive to food and drink? But in the Middle Ages, Europeans who could afford spices used to flavor food, particularly meat, and to impress those among them with their ability to purchase an expensive condiment. So it was expensive from the exotic East at banquet. Host would offer guests a plate with various species piled upon. Sign of wealth. So they showed like their wealth by giving a plate with various spices piled up on. Right. Okay. Parsons. Wealth. Known as treatment for an other health problem. Known as have health benefits. Was thought to cure virus ailments such as indigestion. Indigestion. Growing where? Toward the end of the middle age, grass began to desire the last consumption of spice. This led to growth in growth in demands. Not demands. That's trick. Arab merchants who closely guarded the secret of the source of from potential rivals. Okay, they took it from India, where it was grown. Yeah, India. Go in India. The merchants used I saw the merchants, right? They took it on camels over long route by camels. Yeah, they bring camel. They bring camels with it. Actually, they bring it with camels. Yeah, whichever. Okay. Arrived in Mediterranean. At journey ended when they reached maybe Alexandria. European traders back to Venice. Yeah, it's Alexandria. Arrived in Mediterranean at Alexandria. Traders took it to and sold it to destinations around Europe. The ladies took it to what? Europe, because Venice had a partial monopoly of the Venetians. Ordinary. Oh, exorbitantly high. Increasing demand. Second high. Cultivation of cinema. Wait. Traders took it to and so did destination. Oh, I missed it. Maybe. Oh my goodness. Traders took cinnamon, right, to where and sold it sold it to destination around Europe. So it's Venice. Okay. Here, Portuguese had control over cinnamon trade in Ceylon throughout the 16th century. Okay, let's keep reading. Enslaved many other members of Ceylon. Okay. Okay, forcing them to work in cinnamon harvesting. Portuguese built a fort them to protect the island, so helping them to develop a monopoly in cinnamon trade generate very high profits. In the late 16th century, for example, they enjoyed a tenfold profit when shipping cinnamon over a journey of 8 days from sea. Yeah, they had control over the cinnamon. So it's true. And Dutch took over cinnamon trade from the Portuguese as soon as so the Dutch is coming next, maybe. The South Asia, right? Barely beginning of the 17th century. Okay, that's point. It's key point. Is the size of this place in Portuguese cinnamon. The Dutch and next allied themselves with candy on end. What next? Return for payment. Protected a native king from the Portuguese. Okay, so now 1640 the Dutch broke the 15th year for this monopoly when they overrun and occupy their factories. Then next by 1658 they had permanently expelled Portuguese from the inland. They're gaining control of lucrative cinnamon trade. Finally, they could get control. That's why okay, to go with not as soon as like they arrived in Ceylon. So I think it's false. The trees planted that by Dutch produce larger quantities of cinnamon than the white trees. Okay, so they produced they produced the tree they planted is larger than white trees, is larger. Okay, they treated like hash rate, right? Because need to boost production. I know. Appetite for cinnamon, the Dutch began to alter or harvesting practices. The supply of cinnamon tree on the inland became nearly exhausted due to systematic stripping of the bark. Okay, eventually the Dutch began cultivating their own cinnamon trees to the diminishing number of white tree. So it seems like not giving. It doesn't say like it doesn't compare the quantity of production. Okay, next the spice trade. Spice trade maintained its economic importance 19th century. Spice trade maintains economic. Okay. Oh, English alive. Thereby displacing the Dutch from their control. 19th century production of cinnamon is low grade quality. Okay, by the time cinnamon was being grown in other parts of the Indian Brazil, okay, not only was it impossible, but the spice trade overall was diminishing in economic potential. spice trade overall was diminishing in economic potential. So it cannot maintain its economic during the 19th century. So it's false. Alright, I'm done. Oh my goodness, it's quite easy. I feel like I already took the test 1 reading passage 1 to passage 3, and the passage 1 is tend to be easier, right? Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's test 2. It's test 2, right? Test 2, yep. Okay, oils, friendship, funerals, wealth, indigestion, India. Camels, Alexandria, okay, Venice. True, false, no given, and false. Okay, great, that's perfect. Alright guys, okay, next I'll do the passage 2 and let's compare, you know, how the difficulty is. Alright, so anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.